Hello, it's Melinda. I got this at Dollar General. I think they was on sale, two for $2.50. It's light and refreshing, all natural Snapple Elements Rain, agave cactus flavored juice drink, filtered water, sugar, pear juice concentrate, agave nectar, citric acid and natural flavorings, 110 calories. So it tastes like pear. It tastes like a light pear flavor. It's okay. It's not anything special, or it's about a 3 out of 4 out of 10, and I might buy it again. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. God bless you.